Grace does more than just soothe, it transforms. Grace is not divine sympathy. Grace forgives, restores, teaches, strengthens, and renews. You see, grace doesn't just make us feel less guilty, so to speak. It makes us new. And Jeremiah 30 verse 17 declares, I will restore health to you and heal your wounds. What a thought and what a promise. You see, the devil wants your mistakes and shame to become your residence, where grace turns that into a demolition site and gives you a new life. There comes a place in healing when you realize the pain did not destroy you. The mistake did not finish you. The failure didn't and doesn't own you. God met you there and brought treasure out of this situation.